Hi guys, quick little video on getting things done in Nestr. Nestr's been built to solve two main issues. One of them is to organize around purpose, so help you organize around a clear purpose and assess whether or not you're achieving that, getting closer or going away from it. And the other one is to close the divide between organizations on one hand and the people on the other hand. They often live in different silos, and then you find people translating data and between these systems or however way you need to translate that. And that's a lot of overhead that's not needed, and that's something that Nestr is solving for you. This video is to show you how it does that. We did a small little overhaul, so there's a couple of new, actually not new features, but they've been repositioned somewhat. And the way to get started with getting things done in Nestr, it's really simple. What you do, you go to your profile page, right top, you click on your face, and then you have your profile overview and your personal labels. On the personal labels, you have a list of all the labels that are only useful for you, the ones that you have created. All your colleagues in other workspaces, other nests, they cannot see those. Those are just for you. But there's this nice little big button that says Create Personal GTD Labels. We'll customize that a little bit more over time, but what it pretty much does, it creates a couple of labels that are common in a GTD practice. So things like now, soon, later, waiting, or someday. You know, those are labels that you that will automatically create for you. There's some others like phone or context-related labels that are created for you, or online, offline, that sort of stuff. And we do not pretend to know how you need to organize your GTD. So the way this is set up, it just creates a starting point for you to pick up from, and use those labels if you like them. Delete them if you don't want them. If you're a GTD pro already, you don't even need to use this. Just create those personal labels as you go and create whatever it is that you need. The cool thing about these labels is that they help you organize around around the different workspaces that you work within. So if you have an organization in Nestr that you work within, or you have your own family or whatever it is, that in that nest structure you work there, that's really useful when you work with people together. But then when you zoom out, you don't want to dive back and go back and forth all the time to find all the work that you're doing. Then that's where these labels come in. So let's say you just want to have a quick overview of the work that's pending. That's actually important. All the now and soon stuff that's coming up. When you click that button, we also create a few saved searches, and you can find those under My Views. My Views is everything that is important for you, and that's also completely customizable. You can delete or add whatever it is that you want, but again, click that button I showed you before, and we'll add a few saved searches for you that's going to help you out. One that I often use a lot is My Urgent Work. This gives me an overview of the work that's soon or now, so all the stuff that I really need to pick up right now. And then sorted and grouped by my different contexts, my different workspaces. So here, some Unoma stuff, some family stuff, some Nestr stuff, some Energize stuff. It's all there. If I want to dive into a bit deeper, say, hey, currently I only care about the Nestr context, dive in there, view the search just there, and then you just isolate or zoom into where you need to be, and you can zoom out again. The really cool thing inside of these searches, you can actually reprioritize. Say, hey, this look into trademark stuff. Hey, that's quite important. Let's pull it up a little bit and put it at the top, so I can just walk through my work like that. If I've zeroed down on this one, if I completed my work in Nestr for today, I can actually step back a little bit and look at maybe my later stuff as well. The key here is Nestr allows you to organize the way you need to organize, while your organization can still choose to organize the way it organizes. And then they just overlap like a matrix. And that's really bloody cool and powerful. I hope this is a nice taster to get you started and give you an idea on what's possible. So much more is possible than just what I showed you here. You can also look at your personal project board, and I know there's a whole bunch of different views we'll explore over time. Hope this gets you excited, and thanks very much for watching, and talk to you soon. Cheers, bye-bye.